Cornering light is the extra lighting that vehicle headlights switch in to supplement the dipped beam on tight bends, at junctions, or when turning into a road. Depending on the steering angle, the lights swivel left or right. They illuminate the area to the side of your car, considerably increasing safety in the dark or while driving in poor lighting conditions. It is a function produced by a vehicle's headlights, which are located at the two front corners of a car. A faulty cornering light function may cause the vehicle to fail to produce a wider spread of light automatically when turning, making it difficult for drivers to drive in dark environments. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired ASAP. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.